Myself DN Verma. Welcome to my channel Biology by Verma sir. Today I am going to describe life processes for the students of class 10th. What is life process? The processes which are required for the maintenance of life are together called life processes. Life processes include nutrition, respiration, transportation, and excretion. Now the question arises whether the process of reproduction is included in the life process or not. Reproduction is not included under life processes because an organism can survive its whole life without reproduction. Reproduction is only essential for the perpetuation of the race of an organism generation after generation. Now we shall know that what criteria we use to decide whether something is alive or not. We use the criteria movement to decide whether something is alive or not. If a boy is running on the road and a cattle is chewing its cud, that means the movement is visible and we can say that they are alive. But what about when they are asleep? When they are asleep, the movement of breathing is visible, and from the movement of breathing we can say that they are alive. Then question arises, what about plants? The breathing movement is not visible in the plants, so we can say that the plants are green, hence they are alive. So what about the crotons which have colored leaves? So we can say that plants grow over time, hence they are alive. Now the question arises, why is molecular movement essential in the body of an organism? We know that the body of an organism is made up of different types of organs. The organs are made up of tissues, tissues are made up of cells, and cells are made up of molecules. Due to the effect of the environment, the organs, tissues or cells may get damaged. So, for repairing and maintaining these structures, there must be molecular movement in the body. Now we shall describe all the processes included under life processes one by one. The first one is nutrition. So first of all, we will define nutrition. What is nutrition? Intake of food from outside the body or formation of food inside the body and its utilization in the body is called nutrition. What is food? Body building and energy yielding materials are called food. Now we shall go to respiration. What is respiration? Respiration is a physiochemical process in which food is generally oxidized to give energy. Respiration is further of two types, anaerobic and aerobic. In anaerobic respiration, oxygen is not needed and very less amount of energy is released. In aerobic respiration, oxygen is essential and more amount of energy is released. Now we shall describe transportation. What is transportation? Movement of substances inside the body from one part of the body to other is called transportation. Why is transportation essential for animals? Transportation is essential for animals for the digested and absorbed food to be carried to the different cells of the body, for the movement of respiratory gases, that is O2 and CO2 inside the body, and for the movement of metabolic waste from the cells to the excretory organ. Why is transportation essential in plants? So, transportation in plants is essential for the movement of absorbed water and minerals from the roots to the leaves and for the transport of prepared food from the leaves to the root tips. Now we shall define excretion. What is excretion? Removal of metabolic waste from the body of an organism is called excretion. In animals and human beings, the main excretory organ is kidney. Plants also excrete, but they do not have any excretory system. So, plants deposit or dump their metabolic wastes into leaves, old xylem, or diffuse into the soil by means of their roots. Kindly like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.